In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in XM using laptop. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to xm.com and then you want to click on Get Started, top right. And then you basically have to go through this registration process. So just create your account. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch a tutorial on my channel on that. And after you do it, you'll get access to your dashboard over here, where you first have to create your trading account. So just create either a real or a demo account by clicking this plus button, selecting which one you want, and then just going through the process. And then from here, you actually have three options. You can go ahead and start trading right away on here. So you can see you can sell or buy over here right away. You can select what you want to trade, like popular forex, stocks, whatever you want to do, and then just click on it. It's going to pop up, and then in here you can just go ahead and start trading. However, you have two more options if you are using a laptop. So you can go to more over here on the left, scroll down, and then here you have the MT5 platform and the MT4 platform as well, which you can download both on your PC or on your laptop over here, and you can basically connect your XM account to either MT4 or MT5. Now, if you want to know how to do that and how to actually trade on your laptop, on your computer, using MT4 or MT5 connected with an XM account, just go ahead and watch the videos on my channel regarding that, where I'll explain that step by step. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.